Okay, let's go ahead and look at review 4. So review 4 really talks about polynomials. And so it's pretty easy, I think. Remember, if we're adding polynomials, we'll add like terms. So you can see that the x squareds, so I get a 8x squared. The x's, I got a negative 1x. And then the integers, I get a negative 22. That's all. 2, same thing, except it's a little bit confusing because some of them look the same, but these two are the same. These are x squared y's. We're going to have a 6x squared y's. These are the same. Those are xy's. We're going to have a 6xy. And these two are the same. Those are xy squareds. So we're going to have a 2xy squared. So combine like terms. Number 3, when I subtract a little bit, I have to be careful because I'm subtracting all of these. So I like to distribute the negative through. Make it a negative 6x, positive 12, negative 2, and then I combine like terms, okay? That's negative 2x squared, positive 7x, plus 8, okay? 4 is the same way, except for the things are just out of order. So I combine like terms. First, I brought through the negative 2x, negative 3x cubed, positive 15x squared. And then I combine like terms. So I put the cubes together. That gives me a negative 6x cubed, gives me a positive 5x squared, and then gives me a positive 2x. Okay, just combine like terms, but be careful when you bring through the negative. On the back side, we're going to multiply. When you multiply, you add exponents. Multiply the big numbers, the coefficients, and add the little numbers, the exponents. So distribute 12x squared y cubed. Distribute 30x squared y squared minus 9xy to the third. That's all. They're all different. You can't add them. 6, basic FOIL. You can do this. X times x is x squared. X times negative 5x. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. I can combine these two middle terms and make a negative 3x. Okay? Leave it like that. 7 is just a bigger version just because we have numbers, coefficients, so we get a 12x squared minus 15x plus 8x minus 10. Combine like terms, 12x squared minus 7x minus 10. Okay, that's all. 8, I'm going to do the FOIL first. I'm going to ignore the 2x and just bring it down. So I'm going to ignore that. I'm going to go x times x squared minus 6x plus 1x minus 6. I'm going to tidy this up before I deal with the 2x. So that makes a negative 5x. So now I'm ready to bring down the 2x and distribute the 2x. So I'm going to do that. Okay, 2x cubed minus 10x squared minus 12x. Okay. Last but not least, it's just a bigger version of FOIL. 2x is multiplied times all 3 of these terms, and the 4 is multiplied times all 3 of these terms. So there's a 6x cubed, a minus 10x squared, a negative 4x, and then a 12x squared, and I like to put it there so I line them up. Negative 20x, I'll put it there so I line them up, and then I get a negative 8. By lining them up, when I add, it's very easy. 6x cubed, positive 2x, negative 24, positive 2x squared, negative 24x, and negative 8. That's all I have. It should be pretty easy. I think you can do this on the final. That'd be a really easy thing to do on the final.